This is a closer look at the new Milwaukee 3/8" drive pivoting head ratchet. The pivoting head, if you compare it to the size of a quarter, is pretty small. It pivots over 180 degrees. The tension of the pivot can be adjusted by this set screw, and of course it is a ratchet. It's reversible. Now this pivoting articulating head gives you the ability to use this somewhat similar to a ratcheting nut driver. It has the size of the drive marked clearly on the end, and it has a hanging hole through the handle. The 12-piece set comes in either SAE or metric, comes with a nice extension, comes with a 1/4" adapter, a hex insert bit adapter, and these new Milwaukee sockets. They have 4 flat sides that you can put an adjustable wrench on. They also have very clear printing on 2 of the sides. And the other thing about the flats is that they don't roll, or at least don't roll very far.